Hi, I'm Dr. Gary Hill, and the question for today is some of the do's and don'ts of effective parenting. First of all, schedule consistent family time together. In other words, that sounds simple, and I know that's kind of a buzzword these days, but I really do mean it. And a lot of parents think that when I use the phrase, well, you need to spend more time with your kids or scheduling consistent time together, it doesn't mean hours and days with your kid. It means consistent time and family time. An example would be every 3 o'clock on Sunday, for an hour or two, the family does something together no matter what, and all the kids are told that from 3 to 5 on Sundays it's family time, and then in that moment, all the kids of the family can have input into what's being done for those 2 hours, for example. So scheduling and putting it in your schedule every week, once a week, for example, some consistent time together, family time, is really important. Likewise, one-on-one time is important too. So maybe when your kid comes home from school, spending 20 minutes with them later on, just checking in with them or playing a game with them or just sitting with them and watching a TV, doing anything with them, physically is important as well. A lot of parents also think they have to be interactive with their kids. Sometimes just sitting with your kid and being physically present with them and being quiet is enough for a kid to feel calm and feel like you're with them and want to be with them. Another example of effective parenting, in terms of a do, basically, not a don't, is depending on the age of a kid. When a kid is a grade school age, the better parenting style is what I call direct in-your-face parenting. In other words, you tell a kid what to do. So if you're dealing with a third grader, they're too young. They need to be told what to do. They have to be fed, they have to be clothed, they have to be told not to cross the street, look for cars, etc. However, most parents that are good at being direct parents with grade school age kids, when their kids get older, middle school, high school, even college, where a lot of parents go wrong unknowingly is they don't modify and change their parenting style. So in other words, the parenting style, direct, telling kids what to do in grade school, is effective and good parenting for that age group. But in middle school and especially high school, being more of what I call a consulting parent, not telling a kid what to do or lecturing to them, is a much better way of doing it. It's suggesting to a kid, talking things out with a kid, explaining to them why certain things are good or bad, and a good technique is actually inviting yourself in. In other words, rather than lecturing or telling your kid what to do, invite yourself in. For example, if your kid says something that's alarming to you, what you can say is, John, I have some feedback for you and some advice. Can I give it to you? Do you mind if I offer it to you? That's a question. If they say yes, then they'll let you in and they'll probably listen to and take it in.